Smile, you fucks. This is the misadventures of Old Man Ignorant. Today, I bring to you the Winter Wonderland Blizzard. I'm going to be honest with you fucks. Folks. You kind human beings. I'm going to be honest with you, though. I am not a fan of winter. It's the most depressing time of the year. But I do like when it's like a blizzard and snows like this. I wouldn't want the whole year to be like this, but like a month at the most. And as long as, see, I live in Michigan. Most of the time there isn't even snow. It's just fucking gloomy out and fucking dark and depressing. And it feels like as soon as you wake up that it's time to go to bed. It is seasonal depression, but it's also other things. If you're already depressed, on top of that, the lack of vitamin D from the sun. It's just most people, they don't, pretty much everyone, but they won't admit it. We need the sun. That's why you got these people that are like, I hate the sun. Oh, I get burnt. Oh, this and that. Well, the ones that get burnt, that's because it's not because your skin is white and you're Irish. There's dark Irish too. It's because you don't eat enough animal fat and eat the proper way. Most Americans, especially, have so much, what do you call that? Plant oils, vegetable oils. And then their skin fucking fries. Let alone you put that fucking sunscreen shit on you. Oh my God. The only time a healthy person can really get burnt is if it's the first time of the year, maybe, or like they go from Michigan to Florida. An extreme change really fast without like adjusting to it. Can't think straight right now, but I thought this was a cool background, cool scenery. It looks so much cooler on camera. Like I'm showing you my face, but when you look forward and walk through here like it's a fucking maze, and I see deer trails. See them on the ground, the deer trails? Hopefully I can... Whoa, that was weird for a second. I must have turned the camera too fast. But I was going to say, hopefully I can sneak up on the deer. I've done that before when